Okay, so Tangerine Dreamwolf asks, what is the new sound for the last decade or so? So, basically, the first reply to this forum post was basically talking about the emo, I guess, SoundCloud way of, I guess I want to say 2016 through 2019, I want to say it ended. I can agree with this, yeah, since that I think that's culturally those 4 years from 2016 to 2020 or 2019 were definitely very culturally important for America. I definitely think Juice WRLD, of the 4 artists mentioned there, is probably the most influential, though Lil Peep is definitely my favorite as he incorporates rock elements within his music. So the next guy is Hillsong Hoods, and he writes about how bedroom pop with sampling was probably the most influential with artists such as Billie Eilish. This I agree to an extent, however I think Billie Eilish, her popularity and fame became more apparent I think in the 2020 era. I definitely think she was one of the big artists along with Post Malone in the 2010s, but I think 2016 through 2019 it was the SoundCloud lo-fi rappers or emo rappers that were really paid attention to at that time. So Sabbath Boys Sabbath writes, I don't really think there is one, and he explains basically how because of the new technology that has come out, Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, anyone can listen to any music from any time period anywhere. I agree to this to an extent. I think it's great that people definitely have different genres that they listen to from the past or present or future, but you can't really deny what the young people are listening to or what the charts say, what most people listen to, and it tends to gravitate towards hip-hop, R&B, and pop, and I think those right now are generally the genres that are most popular, and K-pop, of course. So Brightside 1982 basically lists some indie bands like Boy Pablo as one of the most influential, or shoegaze. I really disagree with this because the last time I heard of Boy Pablo was in 2018, and that was their one hit with Every Time. And I'm sure they're a great band, but I would probably not put them as the most influential, as nothing they really wrote, I don't think, went Billboard other than that song, but I have to be fact-checked on that. And shoegaze I don't think is that popular. Maybe there are certain elements of it that are, but I don't think it's dominating the country right now. So Imperator Eggman basically talks about that kind of rock sound from 2010 to 2014. Now this I think is a well-informed opinion, because definitely that Rude song or Bruno Mars or Maroon 5 definitely were influential towards the beginning in terms of the later half of the decade, before the kind of SoundCloud trap took over. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I didn't cover all the comments because a lot of them were kind of stupid. One was talking about extreme metal being super influential, which it's really not. It's a great genre, but it's not popular. And some were mentioning just totally obscure bands that no one's ever heard about. I'm sure they're great, but they're not influential, which is what we're talking about in terms of the new sound. But yeah, my Marty Friedman video is going to be coming out soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that, and I hope you subscribe.